Greetings, peoples, folks, and space aliens. Oh my gosh, what a day it has been. I was at two other places down here, Salem Hills. I have not ever been here on this bike. Sorry folks, I guess it was a little windy that day. Like really windy. So my introduction kind of got screwed up. So let's go ahead and just jump right to the trail ride. Okay, here we go. It's actually a pretty easy trail. I think I'm just going to do the first two. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! It's a picture! Woo! That's actually pretty awesome. There's a rip drop. This is actually probably the best trail. Oh, there's a cut across. Okay, wow, lash out. I'm hoping I'm on the right trail. This is a total hardtail country. These trails, there's actually multiple trails in here. A little damp. So it is actually the 2nd or 3rd of April, Friday. And there are a lot of people out. Good Friday is what it is. They actually have put stuff in here. That's actually pretty awesome. Skinny, I got that out of the blue. I am completely wasted right now because so that's a out trail. So if you're local, you can come back here and wallow in the mud. Holy cow. I can tell you, it looks like the trail's been rerouted a little bit. There is very little terrain to this. You think, oh, there's terrain, but no, there's very little terrain. A little bit of mud right there. And you'll have to bear with me because I'm going slow. So, I know this isn't very exciting, but after this, other than the new areas, there's only one place in the cities that I haven't been to. The reservoir. I'll try to make it there sometime this year, but it's not on my, hey, let's go there and only there list. It's kind of an inconvenient place. Maybe if I come up and do Stillwater, Sunfish Lake is what I'd like to do. Here, pretty quick. Stuff's still drying out. I can tell you there's gonna be another week or two. But my gosh, it's the first weekend in April and trails are like almost dry. I am not gonna complain about that. When I got this bike, it was May 5th, 6th. I planned a trip. That was in 2018. And the first trails to open were Bertram when I was up in that area. So, pretty awesome. Okay, now, hello. Okay, so that's return. So this is the return loop. And I think I'm feeling about doing the lower loop right away. Hey, bike trail sign. Okay, so that's hiking. No, I haven't been here in about 3 years, so I'm like, where am I going?
They've added a few things, yeah.
Oh, definitely, yeah. All right, so. Yep, so now I'm going south. Or north. Actually, I think this is south. It's one of those directions. I'm going one of those directions. I'm either going south, north, east, or west right now. I'm not sure which one it is. There's a little bit of terrain here. So I gotta keep my eye open for the cut across. The nice thing about spring is, man, you can just see stuff you never see before. Yeah, like I said, pretty easy trail. Hello. Lots of walkers out today. It's a little too damp right there. but I can't imagine why. I'm really surprised it's dried out as much as it is. So this is my la bike ride for the day. Ew. I do remember some of this. Oh yeah. You're supposed to get like really fast right there and then slam into it. Okay, I am going to. It says, please don't skid. I should add, don't skip this next section of trail. But I'm going to. I'm going back, basically. Nice, easy, quick ride to finish off my day. Oh, mud bank. I was gonna like take that in speed, and then I saw the mud bank. I'm like, nope. I'm like, nope. I'm like, jump line. Oh yeah. At least give me some rock launches or something in here. So now I'm on the other side of the lake, so I'm definitely going back. And it won't be long, and I will be done for the day. Hopefully Easter I can get out again. I do my home trails, but we'll see what is open. The last bridge of Uberdar. Bike goes left. I do remember some features in here, but I think they were on the South Loop. So that South Loop I've only done on my camber in 2017. So that's it pretty much for Salem Hills, I think. There's, like I said, good terrain here. A little bit of a workout, not too bad. There aren't any big drops or jumps or rock gardens. It's just that black dog again. You're like the only one back here right now.
I know.
It's crazy because I was at Battle Creek, and it is a zoo there. I mean, there must have been about 40 bikers there. It's crazy, but that's a fun area. So. Yep, they're all at that thing over here. Yep. Yeah, you too. Oh, nice lady with a very friendly dog. I'm a little leery on petting dogs with COVID. I would love to just pet dogs and cats and stuff, but with COVID being here, you just never know. Yep, there we go, that's it, that's the end. That is the end of Salem Hills. I hope you enjoyed it. I would have enjoyed it a little more if it wasn't so zonk.